In this video, I will show you how to create a QR code in Canva. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on canva.com. Now a QR code is very good because what it's going to do when people scan this is you can have it redirect them to your business website or like a YouTube channel. So in this example, what I've done, I've gone ahead and I have a business card. Now to go ahead and add a QR code, what you're going to want to do is come over to this toolbar on the left hand side, and what you want to do is come down and click onto apps. From here, if you come to the search box at the top, and what you want to do is just go ahead and type QR code into here and press enter, and you can see the QR code app here. So just go ahead and give this a click. That's going to take you to a window like this. Now what you're going to want to do is enter the website address that you want people to be redirected to when they scan the QR code. So in this example, I'm just going to put my website, so www.techtutortutorials.com. Once that's done, just go ahead and press the purple generate code button underneath, and what it's going to do is generate your QR code straight away. So what you can do is put this any way you want on your design. You can also go ahead and resize this to your liking, and once you're happy with your changes, all you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto this share button up here. Then all you need to do is go ahead and click download, and then you want to save this as a PNG. So you can see the file type here. PNG is the best if you're adding a QR code, so you want to save that in that sort of file type. Then come down and press the purple download button at the bottom. As you can see, this is now downloading our business card with our QR code on, and you can see that's ready to go here. So what we can do is go ahead, open this up and preview to see what this looks like. And as you can see, this looks pretty cool, and we've got our QR code here. So when anybody scans that QR code, in this example, they can be redirected to my business website. So that is how to go ahead and create a QR code in Canva. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.